5 Wholesome Smoothie Recipes for Irritation and Joint Ache. Smoothies remain very famous, especially within the health and health network, due to the super health advantages they offer, as well as the on-the-cross convenience. But did you realize that you may assist deal with infection and joint pain with smoothies too? Permits test 5 terrifi nutribullet, or blender, recipes to deal with inflammation and joint ache. We will additionally share the advantages of a number of the should-have substances internal of each of the short and easy smoothies. Allows speak about arthritis. Did you already know that arthritis is typically one of the common reasons of joint pain? In truth, around 70 million humans be afflicted by arthritis, which makes it around 25% of Americans tormented by arthritis. As arthritis causes infection of the joints, which reasons joint pain and makes movement difficult. Arthritis can also get worse through the years. However, with these delicious smoothie recipes, you'll be capable of assist aid in treating the reasons of joint pain. Inside the incredible big-name ingredients. The advantages of pineapples. Pineapples are scrumptious, however they're also outstanding useful when it comes to tackling irritation and joint pain. Pineapples incorporate an enzyme called bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory hormones that assist ache inside the joints and any accidents that reason swelling of the muscle groups. The goodness in ginger. Ginger is every other extremely good anti-inflammatory because it consists of a unique compound referred to as gingerol that may assist combat the pain of sore muscle tissues and inflammation, consistent with a 2001 Take a Look at conducted by Rhode Altman and K.C. Marcusson. They located that those taking ginger extracts reported experiencing less ache than those who didn't. Mega mangoes. Mangoes not best flavor delicious, however they may be jam-packed with antibodies, nutrition C and D, and beta-carotene that contributes to wholesome bones. Turmeric is a superfood. Turmeric is outstanding because it carries curcumin, which some numerous research have proven can lessen ache and stiffness due to arthritis. In fact, curcumin has been said to be as top as taking anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the physical side effects. Advantages of black pepper. Did you already know that black pepper incorporates a compound referred to as piperine in it, which makes turmeric even stronger, while it's fed on with it? As well as having its own anti-inflammatory residences, black pepper might help ease rheumatoid arthritis. Take a look at what's in cherries. Cherries are purple because of a bit chemical in it known as anthocyanin. This brilliant chemical additionally has anti-inflammatory hormones which could assist with osteoarthritis. In truth, humans with osteoarthritis who drank cherry juice twice daily have shown to have enjoy much less inflammation. So now which you know why these exceptional substances are so beneficial for people who be afflicted by arthritis, inflammation and joint pain. Permits get on to the recipes. Recipe 1. Strawberry and pineapple pride. What you need. -1 cup of skinned and iced pineapple. -1 cup of strawberries. -1 tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil. -1 peeled and sliced carrot. -1 celery stalk. Half of an inch of skinned chopped ginger. -1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or 2 inches of chopped turmeric root. -1 cup of milk may be substituted with any milk alternatives of your preference, along with soya, almond, rice milk. 1/2 a cup of ice cubes. Directions. Ensure your culmination and vegetables are washed very well and put together them. Add all your components into the nutribullet and whiz until the whole thing is thick and smooth. Serve the smoothie chilled. Recipe 2. Mouth-watering mango and peach smoothie. What you need. 1/2 cup of diced mango. 1/2 cup of diced peaches. 1/4 teaspoons of lemon zest. 1/4 teaspoons of turmeric. A pinch of salt and black pepper. A cup of water. 1/4 cup of coconut milk, may be sparkling or canned. 1/2 cup of ice cubes. Directions. Wash, peel and in any other case, prepare your fruit and veg. Upload your components to the nutribullet and blend for around 30 to 60 seconds until smooth. Serve chilled and drink ASAP for the exceptional flavor and freshness. If you want to read the article, I have put a link in the description. Do not forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to receive every new video, and also do not forget to share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.